You're unique. You're special. There's no one else quite like you. Or that's probably what your mother told you growing up. But what does that actually mean, to be special, to be unique? My PhD thesis is addressing this question down to the level of our DNA. It's likely all of us here are familiar with the concept of DNA and the idea that a set of A's, T's, G's, and C's are strung together to form a DNA sequence, and that this sequence serves as a working blueprint for all of our cells. You probably also know that small changes in the DNA sequence can result in big changes in who you are. My thesis is looking beyond this primary sequence and at the secondary structure of our genomes. Specifically, I'm interested in inversions. Inversions occur when segments of our DNA become flipped around within a chromosome, and this changes the orientation and order of genes within this region. This can have big implications for your biology, but until now, it's been very difficult to see inversions. I've been involved in developing a single-cell sequencing technology that lets us visualize changes in DNA structure. And we've scaled this so that we can look at hundreds of single cells at a single time. What this means is that I could take one cell from all of you here, pull them together into a single tube, and sequence all of your DNA simultaneously to determine what inversions you have that you don't. I've already done this for almost 50 individuals, and I've identified over 100 different inversions so far. And what I can tell you is that for every single person I looked at, I found a unique inversion profile. There are a distinct set of inversions present in each of us that distinguish us from everybody else, much like a snowflake. I'm now interested in determining how these sets of inversions within you are important for determining who you are, what you look like, and the types of diseases you might be susceptible to. And that's because I think structure matters. For instance, I've already found that 20% of the people I looked at have an inversion on chromosome 17 that increases their susceptibility of having children with autism. That means 20% of us here might also have that inversion. There are other inversions on chromosome 1 and 16 that are associated with cancers. Now that we can see inversions, we can begin to explore these types of associations. But if you take anything away from these last 3 minutes, I hope you remember that Mom's right. We're all special little snowflakes. Thank you.